Chosen ones, empaths, you gotta understand these people are in such embarrassment within themselves. They hold so much shame and regret inside of their heart for the simple fact of the way they treated you in the moment you needed them the most. On those dark nights when your mind was spiraling out of control, when you felt like you were emotionally diseased, and then you had to go to work the next day with a whole mental paralysis just because of the heartache that this person put you through, just because of this person and their antics and their little Decepticon ways. These people are embarrassed to even try and make a return. Some of them have no shame. Some of them have no shame at all. And they'll try to come back so fast once they see that you're on your journey to prosperity, huh? Once they see that you're the crab that's about to make it out of the bucket, they're gonna try to pull you back down. No, come back, please. No, I'm not coming back. You're right, I'm out of here. I had to slice and dice people like Bruce Lee at a freaking Chinese buffet. Straight, wata! For real. Some people were really just holding me back from my true potential, and I was blinded by it. I was blinded by the lights until I put some goggles on. I put some spirit seeing goggles on, and I started seeing people's true colors. I started seeing the snakes in the grass for who they really were. I started seeing the females that were playing just games in my life like dominoes, and I was the one that had to feel the effect when the dominoes were falling. You know what I'm saying? They just set up the dominoes. I had to watch them fall one by one. How many of y'all had to watch the domino fall one by one in y'all relationship? Comment in the comment section.